Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to program a 2016 Kia Soul key fob. Start by sitting in the driver's seat with all doors closed and the key in your hand. I will guide you through entering programming mode, cycling the ignition, and syncing the key fob buttons so the car recognizes the remote without dealer tools. Make sure you have the correct replacement fob and the working master key before beginning. Check the vehicle battery and fob battery to prevent mid-process failure. This part is quick and prevents frustration, so pause if anything is missing and return when you are ready to proceed with programming steps. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice as a small treat after a DIY session to keep the cabin pleasant. I find it pairs nicely with a successful key fob programming win, and it won't hurt your tools. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Follow the exact ignition and door sequences to enter programming mode, listening for a chime or lock cycle as confirmation. Press the lock button on each fob when prompted, then exit the mode and test lock, unlock, and panic functions. Repeat for additional remotes and keep the working key nearby in case you need to restart the sequence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.